Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video, we will see how we can restrict sharing of SharePoint and OneDrive content by domain. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's start our today's video demonstration. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay friends, so now we are on our SharePoint Admin Center and I will go to sharings for here external sharings. The SharePoint and OneDrive permission is set to new and existing guest, which means the difference between anyone and the new and existing guest means I can share file across with any external domain, but whenever the user will try to access that file, they will be getting a verification code, and then once they will enter, then only they will be able to access the file. However, if you will set it to anyone, you can share the file with anyone, and the user doesn't require any sign in, and it doesn't the user doesn't require a sign in. But for new and existing guest, the guest must need to sign in and provide a verification code. So it is set to new and existing guest for SharePoint as well as for the OneDrive. If I will expand this more external sharing settings, currently we haven't added any domain for the external sharing. So now let me show you the behavior, how it will work. So this is our site which I've randomly taken for testing purpose. So now I will try to share the file externally. If I click on share gmail.com, yes. So right now it will prompt you a message like this domain is outside of your organization. I will click on continue. Similarly, if I will here enter my Outlook account, yes, if I will select it, again it will say it is outside of your organization, but we are able to send the file to Outlook domain as well as to the Gmail domain. So guys, now we'll go back to our SharePoint Admin Center. But before going to SharePoint Admin Center, let me show you the behavior in the OneDrive as well. This is my OneDrive. This is the file which I will try to share. Same thing, sharing again. Yes, so I will be getting the same message which I was getting in the SharePoint. Yeah, it is saying like it is outside your organization. Same goes with the Outlook account. Yes, so it is allowing me to share the file externally. Now we'll go back and we'll limit external sharing with the help of a domain. So to limit external sharing by adding domain, you have to just check this box, and now later you can click on add domains. So if you click on allow specific domains, like we want to only allow our users to share file with gmail.com, so we will enter this. Like if you want to restrict it for the Outlook, you have to just enter it, or if you will try to put comma, then here you can enter outlook.com. And similarly, so on, you can either block specific domains and allow only specific domains. So for this testing purpose, I will use only the gmail.com. So my user will be only able to share the file with only gmail.com. If they will try to share the file with outlook.com, they will be getting prompted and they will be not be able to share the file with other domains apart from this external domain gmail.com. So we'll click on save. So as you could see, it is now added. So you could see it is already added. You can also specify a security group. You can create one. You can only add those users whom you want to those to share the file externally. Apart from those users, those will not be the part of that security group, will not be able to share the file externally. Now these are the remaining settings. You can see that I will go all the way to bottom and I will click on save. So I will go to active sites and then again I will come to sharings. Okay friends, so we have refreshed our page and now we'll go again back to the sharing settings. Our external sharing for SharePoint and OneDrive is, as I've told you, is new and existing guest. But now if I will expand more external sharing, you can see now our domain is here listed. Like it is the only domain which is allowed for sharing. Apart from this domain, if now we will share file with any Outlook, any other XYZ, any .com domain, user will be get prompted like you are restricted to share the file with this certain domain and the certain username. Only the Gmail, only the users of my organization will be able to share file externally to only gmail.com account. So friends, let's go to our one of the active sites and we'll see like are we now able to share the file apart from this external account or not. So I will go to active sites and I will randomly open this site, allow group creation. But before I want to show, the settings, we haven't changed anything from here. Like the external file sharing is set to new and existing guest. If you click on more sharing settings, you can see everything is like as per the default organization level setting. Now if I'll go back, everything is fine over here. I will close this and let's now open the site. I will go to documents. So here in the document, if I will click on three dots, we'll click on share. Now let me here add one of the Outlook account. As you can see, as soon as I have added my Outlook account, it showed me an error like your organization doesn't allow sharing with people who use this email domain. To continue sharing, remove the highlighted recipient. So you could see the send option also gray out, and we are unable to share the file with my this particular Outlook account. However, if I will try to add any Gmail account, let me type it. All right, so you could see we will be able to send the file to the Gmail account. It is not throwing an error. Same behavior will be with the OneDrive as well. Let me open my OneDrive to show you that. All right, let me try to share this PDF file. I'll click on share. Same thing. The same error message we are getting when we are trying to share the file with Outlook. So now let me try to share the file with Gmail account. So yes, it is allowing us to share the file with the Gmail account. So friends, that's how we can limit external sharing of content of SharePoint and OneDrive by domain. So that's conclude our video demonstration.
For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.